I was asked if I could show how Fire and Rain goes, so I'll do that. Fire and Rain has a nice introduction. Again, I don't know how James Taylor does it. I just know how I've done it through the years, and I learned it this way in the early 70s. I think the key to making things sound like he plays is pull-offs and hammers, because he's so good at that, and then he's so good at not playing and then just playing when he has to with little segments of chords. It makes it sound so nice. So anyway, how I do Fire and Rain is by the introduction, which is so it's like an E minor 7th to an F minor 7th to a D, and ends on an A. And then the body of the song is A, just yesterday, and then E minor 7, D, again doing the hammer on the A, then E, and this is a segment of a G major 7th. I'm playing a little bit of a melody, and so that's the body of the song. Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. Woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. So that's how the song goes. Pardon, I can't sing, but that's how the body of the song goes. Now for the chorus, it begins in D. I've seen, to B minor 7th, fired. I've seen rain. Back to A. Sometimes, as you get older too, I find chords like this laborious and with my arthritis difficult to play. So you can always substitute chords in that are easier to play. Certain triads, certain reversed chords. So and you can go play the B minor 7th here, and then an A here with the open. So the chorus goes, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. A, D, B minor 7th, and A, then D, B minor 7th, and A, and then G, E, G minor 7th, and A. Then you start the whole thing over again. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny thought would never end. So anyway, get the idea. It's actually a nice simple song that everybody recognizes, so it's fun to do. Now, some chord substitutions you can do in this song are for the E minor 7th here. You can play it here. If you want, you can add a 9th, an E minor 9th too. So this is the E minor 9th substitution, or E minor 7th substitution. So you can go, it's yesterday morning, and then D, then E, you can play E like this, and in G minor 7th like this. And sometimes that makes it easier to strum too, so you can go. We can strum it rather than finger pick it. Whatever way you want to do it. Anyway, that's how Fire and Rain goes. And I hope that helped. If I can do anything different to show you the chords up or any more chord substitutions, just let me know. It's a great song. And so there you go.